Our business thrives on happy customers, so when they write us to tell us we did a good job, we love to share that feedback so they know we appreciate their words. And this review is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to always constantly work on improving our processes and to make sure our customers get the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. So if you're looking for a company that has the best customer service backed by years of extensive knowledge and experience, then we're the right fit for you. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Call us today and let us give you the same amazing customer service.
Troubleshooting house heat pumps is a task best delegated to specialists. That said, nevertheless, there are still some typical issues you can resolve by yourself without needing to employ a technician. Some of them, and their treatments, are explained below. If there is a power disruption in the heat pump, there may be numerous causes including a blown fuse, utility power failure or tripped circuit breaker. If this is the case, then don't operate the pump for 6 to 8 hours and switch it back to the typical heating setting. On the other hand, if the problem is that the lube in the oil tank is too cold to circulate, set the pump to emergency situation heat for 6 to 8 hours, then change it back to regular settings. If little or no heat is generated, call a service technician. If the pump is not producing adequate heat, then the problem might be an unclean filter, a too low thermostat setting, or problems with the circulation system or auxiliary heating system. Hence, you may need to clean, lubricate or change some components to bring back the unit. Another typical problem of home heat pumps is when the pump switches on and off repeatedly. The problem may be traced to either a dirty coil or a dirty filter. In this case, remove dirt and particles from the coil and tidy or change the filter. Finally, if there is ice on the coil, it may be since the coil is blocked with particles or the reversing valve is stuck. If the former is the issue, all you have to do is clean the coil. If the latter, then set the unit on emergency situation heat and call a repairman.